Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'll change the LED lamps on my Golf 4. I have halogen lamps, but I'll change them to LED. So I've bought them, these ones from Amazon. Eagle, they had very good reviews, and then the socket that gets into the Golf is H7, so you should buy H7. And the reviews were good, so I'll try this one. But I have one request. I'm getting many views but not subscribers. So if my videos help you a bit, please subscribe the channel. I need to reach 1000 limit of subscribers before I can monetize. I have the views, they're very good, but I'm not getting subscribers. So if you're a golf fan, I'll put a lot of golf videos. I have this golf car and now I'm gonna do a lot of things on this car. So if you're interested, please subscribe. So I have these headlights here, Golf 4. I bought them used. No, now I remember. They came with a car that I've sold, so I took them out. And now I have put these LEDs. First, let's remove this by just moving this pin out. Don't touch this, that's what they say. Let's put it in a clean place. This is how the new one looks like. So this has this cooling thing and then this plug. No power. Try the plug over. So yeah, let's see. This cut here goes like this, like the previous one. Okay. This goes in. But before I connect the wire, I need to see if this closes, because if this doesn't, if this is too high, then we have a problem. Fingers crossed. And also this pin. Now I can fix the pin later. You can remove it like this. Yeah. Looks like it closes, but I just need to confirm if this is touching the back of it. Let's see. We have this much gap. Should put it like this here. It looks like this is fitting exactly. I don't know how to confirm if that thing is touching. Let's see. This will close. So now I need to fix the pin. So I'll put it like this because this won't go over. And then, how was it? Was it like this? Yeah, it should be, because it should press it. Right. Put it from one side first. And then you put it from the other side. Come on. Okay, so it was a bit of a struggle. Yeah, it says connect this one way and try if this doesn't work. So we'll temporarily connect it this way and hope it works. Adjust it somewhere in like this here. Oh, don't go too close to that one. Okay, that's in. Next I'll connect it and see if it works, but for that I need to connect like the whole wiring, because this needs this extra wirings that you need to connect. So yeah. So this is how it looks after the LED rings and LED light. So this is how it looks from the front. Yeah, it looks beautiful. So now we can see in the wall the color. Yeah, much brighter, crisp. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Do it right now because you will forget. And if you want to see more videos, stay in touch with me and press the bell icon, because I'm going to do a lot of things on this car. I've removed all the parts and I have a lot of things that I need to do into this. So this is going to be a good project. So if you're interested in Golf 4, please subscribe. See you. Thanks. Bye.